In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in on QuickBooks Time using a web browser based on the current time clock screen. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to QuickBooks Time. Make sure you're logging into the correct company account if you have access to more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard or your default home screen. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Time Clock. This takes you to the page designed specifically for starting your shift quickly and accurately. On the time clock screen, first confirm that your status shows clocked out. This matters because if you're already clocked in, starting another session can create duplicate time entries and cause confusion later. If you do see that you're clocked out, you're in the right place to begin tracking your time. Next, in the Customers section, search for or select the correct customer associated with the work you're about to do. Choosing the right customer ensures your time is billed, reported, or allocated properly. You can usually start typing a name to filter the list. If you don't see the customer you expect, it may not be assigned to you yet, or it might be named slightly differently than you remember. Pick the best match available and follow your team's naming conventions to keep records consistent. If your company uses them, you may also need to select a service item or job code. This field helps categorize what kind of work you're doing, like installation, support, or a specific job phase. If it's required, you won't be able to clock in without making a selection. If it's optional, choose one when it adds clarity for reporting or billing. When in doubt, go with the most accurate option you have, so your time goes to the right bucket. Once your selections look correct, click Clock in next to your name. You should immediately see your status change to currently working, and time tracking will begin in the background. Look for a running timer or confirmation message to know your session has started. From this point on, your time is being recorded against the customer and, if applicable, the service item or job code you selected. You can continue with your work, and your time will keep tracking until your next action on the time clock screen. That's all it takes to clock in using the web version of QuickBooks Time. Sign in, open the time clock, confirm you're clocked out, choose the right customer and any required codes, and click Clock In. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.